All right, so we got a problem with our fridge here. It is freezing. It's over freezing. I've actually let it kind of dry out and melt and everything. But yeah, so it's freezing. What's happening is that there's getting too much ice in the freezer. Those areas right there and right there are freezing over, and then the fridge doesn't get any cool air at all and gets warm, and then this is just a massive ice box. So we're gonna go ahead and fix it. I'm gonna show you what I am doing to fix it. First thing we're doing is taking this back area off. So we got screw there, screw there. We should be able to pop it up and over. Move that out the way. Then we got to take this back panel off. So if you have an ice maker right here, you can just unscrew it and pull it out, disconnect it, get it out the way. We have screws back here and here that I'm going to take out. And I think that's it. So let me take those out and I'll show you. All right, so there's a handful of things that could be going wrong. Typically this may go out, and so that way it's not blowing everything out right, and it's just kind of overcooling that way. The other big thing is your sensor slash thermostat. Now this is my issue here. So if we slide this off of here, you can see mine has just expanded. You know, it's just busted. So this is not working right. It's probably registering that it's colder than it is or warmer than it is. I don't know. But we're going to replace this piece, and I have a replacement here. This is like $10 off of Amazon. So we're just going to snip this right here, and we're going to electrical nut it together, and it should fix the issue. All right, so I just cut the ends like this, strip the ends. So if you notice, mine is an orange and I guess like a reddish pink wire. And before it was a yellow and orange wire. I'm just going to match the orange, but it shouldn't be an issue. This is just a kind of like a relay, so it doesn't really matter which wire it goes on. So I'm going to wire nut this together, and then I'm going to go ahead and wrap it real good with electrical tape. Ideally, you'd use a heat shrink connector to keep the moisture out of here, but I'm just going to tighten it real good with a with some electrical tape, because this is an older fridge and I'm just getting by. All right, we got them taped over real good with that electrical tape and popped it right back on. Now we're just gonna reassemble everything, turn it on, and that should solve our problem. So hope this video helps, and yeah, thanks for watching.